What is the national flower of India? Right answer lotus. What is the national animal of India? Right answer tiger. What is the national bird of India? Right answer peacock. What is the national tree of India? Right answer Indian banyan. What is the national fruit of India? Right answer mango. What is the national river of India? Right answer the Ganga. What is the national reptile of India? Right answer king cobra. What is the national vegetable of India? Right answer pumpkin. What is the national heritage animal of India? Right answer elephant. Which place in India is also known as land of rising sun? Right answer Arunachal Pradesh. Which place in India is also known as heaven on earth? Right answer Kashmir. Which is the longest river in India? Right answer the Ganga. What is the name of the fattest animal on the land? Right answer, cheetah. What is the biggest ocean in the world? Right answer, the Pacific Ocean. What is the smallest ocean in the world? Right answer, the Arctic Ocean. What is the highest mountain in India? Right answer, Mount K2. Which is the highest mountain in the world? Right answer, Mount Everest. Which is the Ular Lake situated in India? Right answer, Jammu and Kashmir. Which is the largest state in India? Right answer, Rajasthan. Which is the smallest state in India? Right answer, Goa. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.